Barbie Fortesa update. And sa post ng Close Up PH na endorsement ni Barbie, yun, no? And during BeautyCon, sa SMS Convention Center, sabi ng Close Up, awesome vibes, bright smiles. And here's a look back to BeautyCon 2025, where Close Up arrived and bringing fresh and bright smiles all day long. And with Barbie Fortesa, ang ganda pa nga na smile ni Barbie. Ay, naka-close up dyan, siyempre. Yun, o. Barbie Fortesa for close up. Saka ito pa. And during pictorial ni Barbie for Mighty Clean na endorsement niya. And red and blue. Dahil mga endorsement ni Barbie, parami yan. Saka 3 days to go, mapapanood na ang Contrabida Academy dyan sa Netflix. Sada na siyempre mga fans ni Barbie. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.